What is exit status? Exit status is a numerical value which can tell us if previously called script or previously executed command was successful or not. We can get this value by printing value of $sign and question mark. This value is being called exit status. If exit status equals 0, it means that previously executed command or script was successful. If exit status is some non-zero value, it means that previously executed script or function or command was finished unsuccessfully. What that means that something finished unsuccessfully? It basically means that something went wrong, that there is missing argument in the script, that some file which should exist doesn't exist, and so on. Important is to know that when we are creating script, we can exit it using exit command. That means that the script will be exited immediately and other lines of codes won't be processed. By specifying exit 0 or exit 1 or some other non-zero number, we set the exit status. But enough talking, let's write some script to see it in practice. We can check exit statuses also here in terminal. But firstly, let's make sure that our shell is bash. By typing echo $0, I can see that my shell is bash. I can easily change it to, for example, dash by typing dash, because dash is located in bin and bin is included in my path. Now I can switch to, for example, sh, which is by looking using ls command. Only the link to dash. I can switch back to bash now and can use whole path bin bash, or only bash in my case. So now let's write some commands and see their exit statuses. Write echo hello buddy. And now to display exit status, write echo $question mark. We see that exit status is 0. That means that command was successful. We can also try to do some variable assignment using let. Let var equals 5 multiplied by 5. And we see that exit status is 0 again. Let's make some error in our command. Write let var equals 5 asterisk string. It is not possible to do multiplication with string. By typing echo $sign question mark, we see that exit status is 1. That means that something was wrong with that command. Maybe you think that working here in terminal is useless, when we cannot type more commands on more lines, because command on line is executed immediately. But that's not true. We can write more commands here. I will show you how. In our previous example with let, I will append semicolon, which means that I can write another command and both commands will be executed. So let's add printing of the result echo $var. Great. Have you noticed that when we displaying exit statuses, we've got only numbers? Let's make it more readable, so when we in future will ask for exit status, we will get exit status equals some number. Write status equals $question mark semicolon echo exit status equals $status. Now we see that previous command was successful. So I will again put command with let operation and can see that exit status is 1. Great. Now let's write finally some script. Let's clear the screen and create file called x1.sh. Start with shebang, bin bash. Next, create variable var and assign to it value 1. We can then increment it using let command and then we can display the value after incrementation. Echo var $var. Now I will copy block of commands twice and save the script. After changing permission, I can run it. Great, it is working. I can check for exit status and it's 0. Script was executed successfully. Now let's exit the script using command exit. I will type exit 1 after second block of my code. So let's run it. I see that only 2 echo commands were printed and echo status is 1. Great. I can now type exit before second echo command. And will exiting with status, for example, 5. When we run it, we can only see 1 echo output. Great. Exit status is 5. You should only use exit statuses in a range from 0 to 255. If you exit with, for example, 256, exit status will be in reality 0. For 257 would be exit status 1, and so on. Save the script and run it to see it. And exit status is 0, as I said. In our example, I used exit command just to show you how it is working. In real world, you would use them if, for example, some condition weren't true, and we will definitely show this in another lectures.